Hey guys, welcome to this video. Now is the time to start advertising on Twitter, using all the power of Twitter to promote your brand, promote your business, promote your website, your products, your services, everything to your audience. And also, most important thing, you can promote here to your competitors' audience, and I'll show you how to do that in this series. Also, let me tell you about the price. The price on Twitter ads are good because there are no minimum, and also Twitter use the CPE model, which is cost per engagement. So you pay only when people people from your audience or people clicking on your ads, when they engage with your tweet, when they click, when they like, when they share or retweet your tweet, you are paying using the CPE model. The first step is to create your ads account. To do that, we go to ads.twitter.com. And in here, we need to select your country and your time zone. And this is important because once you set this up, you will never be able to change it again. So far, maybe in the future, they add that option. But for now, when you set this up, that's it. You cannot change it. So let me select my time zone here. Let's see. Here we are. And the country is good. Select your country here and click on Let's Go. Okay, it's processing, creating the account. And now is the time to select your marketing objective. What's your end goal with your Twitter ads, right? Here we have some options. These may change in the future if you are watching this video later in the year. Probably you will see more or less options. Sometimes Twitter change the name of the objectives. But right now, let me show you the difference between these and which one you can. I'll show you, I'll explain you so you can decide which one is the best for you. You see awareness, they are saying that this option is if you want people to see your tweet. This will maximize the number of people that will see your tweet. Followers is the best way to gain followers, to grow your audience. Promote video views if you want to get more views on your videos. Website clicks or conversions. In this case, we will choose this if we want to drive people to a landing page, drive people to your website, to your online store, anywhere outside Twitter that you want to drive people. This is the best option. Or one more, we will take a look later at this complete list of campaign objectives. The main difference also here, if we select awareness, for example, you see what you pay for. This is what changed between these objectives. So you see in the awareness, you will pay for impressions. So the impressions mean every time Twitter shows your tweet to somebody, you will be paying a fee, the fee that you will establish right now on the campaign. If we go back here and click on followers, here you will pay only when you gain followers. You aren't billed for other types of engagement. So if you have a tweet and people are liking your tweet, they are retweeting and all that, but they are not following you, you are not paying. So this is a great strategy too, because even if you want to reach the most number of people and you want people to engage with your tweets, you can use this option because you will be paying only if they click on the follow button. So if they become your followers, otherwise you are not paying. The next one, promote video views, is saying here that you pay only for video views. So the number of video views that you get, that's the amount you will pay. And the same apply for website clicks, then pay for the number of clicks on your link. So you will have you will have links on your tweets, and people will click on your link, will be driving to your landing page, your website, your online store, and you will pay every time they click on the link. Okay, let's use followers for this example. Here you set the campaign name, followers campaign name. Let's leave it like that. You can change this and customize as you want. Choose the funding source. We will add the credit card, debit card later here. You can set the daily budget. I'll say that the daily budget will be only $5. And set a total budget. This is also optional. Leave this blank for now. For now, we will be using only the daily budget. And here is saying, when do you want to start to run your campaign? Start immediately, run continuously, or set an end start date. I recommend you, if you are starting, to set start and end dates, because sometimes I have clients and students that select this option, and they sometimes forget about the campaign. So the campaign keeps running every day, spending $5 every day, or spending this daily budget that you set here on the top. And that's a problem, because you are not, if you forgot about your campaign and it's running, it will start collecting, it will start increasing your bill, your advertising bill, and at the end of the month you will receive a bill from Twitter with a big amount, and you don't want that. So by selecting a start and end date, you know that this will run only for X number of days, and at the end of this period you can stop, you can analyze the results, see how many followers are you getting, how many engagement, how many likes, and all that. And after that, you can decide if you want to continue with this campaign or if you want to create a new one with a different target audience, okay? So let's say here that we're starting right now and we will end on 1 week, okay? That's all good. Let's click on next here. So this type of campaign will promote my account. Remember that we select the option to gain followers, not to just post for tweets, for awareness. So because of that, Twitter will by default will promote my whole profile, because the goal here is for people to click on the follow button. But also, if you want, in addition to your profile, you can select specific tweets that you want to be included on your advertise. Okay, so I will select this one. I will select only one and click on next. Now we need to set up our target audience. We need to define where do they live, how old they are, specific keywords that they use. We can also use another users on Twitter to promote to their audiences, or we can use search for interest. This is a little bit different than Facebook, and we will have another video with details about creating your perfect Twitter target audience for ads. For now, let's select just some of these criteria. Let's use a keyword like digital marketing. I want my ad to show to people that are interested on digital marketing. Let's see here we have digital marketing keyword. Let's use this one too. And we have some other user or Twitter users that are focused on digital marketing. I can select these handles too if I want. Let's select this one, for example. And here on the right, we see how many people are potentially on this target audience for this specific keyword, for all the terms that I am defining here, okay? So let's see, this is good. And you see that the audience is adding here on the bottom. Let's see here. Locations, we can add more locations here. Let's add people from Canada too. And you can add all the countries that you want. Excellent. So you see here, location, United States and Canada. Keywords, we are using these keywords. Followers look like, these are the user. This is another user, Twitter user, and we are targeting people that follow this specific account on this example. And we have interest, people are interested on marketing, for example. I will leave it like this for now, and later we are coming back here and defining more specific target audience for your ads. Click on next now. Here we can define the bid and the budget for our campaign. You see here that by default is on dynamic automatic bid. That means that your bid will be optimized to get the best results at the lowest price within your budget. Okay, we had a daily budget of $5, as you remember on the last page here. And for now, you can change this. You can say target cost and enter manually the bid amount that you want between these specific numbers. For now, I will leave it as automatic. Later, we will talk more about this. Click on next. Excellent. We created an ad group right now. You see all the details here. This is the campaign name, the running days, the daily budget, the automatic bid. This is how the thing that we defined the last page here. And this is the potential audience that we have. And now here we have a sample of the ad that will be showing to the audience. All we need to do now is click on launch campaign. Let's see. Excellent. And now the system is asking us to add the payment information. We will do that in the next video.